The reviews on this recipe are hot, and it is no wonder that this really is the best candied yam recipe out there. And don't just believe me, listen to Bonnie's review. I know this is my recipe from now on, absolutely out of this world. With the dish that caramelizes to the perfectly tender yams, this dish won't just be a forgotten side dish, it will become the dish that everyone raves about. And I'm going to show you how to make it today on the Stay at Home Chef. To start off this recipe, we're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a medium-sized baking dish. The question often arises, what's the difference between a sweet potato and a yam? Well, in the United States, they are used interchangeably. More than likely, the so-called yams you're able to purchase are actually a sweet potato, but we refer to them as a yam. Whatever you can get your hands on, the prep work is going to be the same. I'm using 5 medium-sized yams, but you could also use like 4 large ones. And to prep them, peel them, and cut them into about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch sized discs. Then place those in a large bowl, or you could use a sealable bag. To make these extra tasty, we're going to start off by adding 1/2 cup of orange juice, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, gotta love that stickiness, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or whatever cooking oil you prefer, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then the final ingredient, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Toss or shake to combine all of the discs until they're well coated. Pour the contents into that greased baking dish, juices and all. Cover this with foil to keep all the moisture in. And place that in the preheated oven where it's going to bake for 45 minutes. After it's cooked for about 45 minutes, remove the foil and stir, and then you're going to let it cook for another 15 minutes. Once the yams are fork tender and the sauce has caramelized, remove that from the oven. Salt them to your liking, let them cool just a little bit, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.